Okay, wait a minute. What does it look like? What does this look like to you?
A trunk.
A treasure chest full of dress-up clothes.
Oh, Parker.
It's a princess gown.
Look at that.
And a cape like Snow White.
Parker.
And dress-up shoes and a tiara. And look, a mermaid outfit.
Oh,
This is the top and there's the bottom somewhere.
Oh my.
And look at this princess dress. Look at all these princess clothes for you.
This goes with my crown.
That's your
That's your
crown.
crown.
Here's the bottom of the mermaid dress.
Parker, I
You can
love
be like
it.
Ariel.
Look at that. I love it, darling.
Look at all this fun stuff. And
It's
look,
a treasure.
a star. You can wear a
Treasure.
star around your head.
Look at that.
And look at this white princess dress.